In this episode, we will be discussing Arizona Landlord to maintain fit premises. The Arizona Residential Landlord and Tenant Act sets forth the following landlord responsibilities for maintaining a rental property so tenants have a healthy, safe, and secure place to live. Landlord responsibilities. The landlord shall comply with the requirements of applicable building codes materially affecting health and safety, make all repairs and do whatever is necessary to put and keep the premises in a fit and habitable condition, keep all common areas of the premises in a clean and safe condition, maintain in good and safe working order and condition all electrical, plumbing, sanitary, heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and other facilities and appliances, including elevators, supplied or required to be supplied by the landlord. Provide and maintain appropriate receptacles and conveniences for the removal of ashes, garbage, rubbish, and other waste incidental to the occupancy of the dwelling unit and arrange for the removal. And finally, supply running water and reasonable amounts of hot water at all times, reasonable heat and reasonable air conditioning or cooling where such units are installed and offered when required by seasonal weather conditions, except where the building that includes the dwelling unit is not required by law to be equipped for that purpose, or if the tenant has exclusive control of equipment and services supplied by a direct public utility connection. Assigning tenant responsibility for single-family residences. The landlord and tenant of a single-family residence may agree in writing, supported by adequate consideration, that the tenant perform the landlord's duties regarding waste receptacles, running water, hot water, heat and air conditions, and also specified repairs, maintenance tasks, alterations, and remodeling, but only if the transaction is entered into good faith, not for the purpose of evading the landlord's obligations or to cure his noncompliance. Assigning tenant responsibility for other dwellings. The landlord and tenant of any other dwelling unit may agree that the tenant is to perform specified repairs, maintenance tasks, alterations, or remodeling only if the agreement of the parties is entered into in good faith and not for the purpose of evading the obligations of the landlord and is set forth in a separate writing signed by the parties and supported by adequate consideration. Also, the work cannot be necessary to cure noncompliance with the subsection titled Landlord Responsibilities, and the agreement does not diminish or affect the obligation of the landlord to other tenants in the premises. For additional laws and articles, visit AmericanLandlord.com.